Hey guys, it's teacher Sarah. Welcome to my class. This tutorial is a guide on how to publish your Google slide on the web so you can post it on Moodle. This can be very handy for teachers who want to make their presentations available for student viewing just like a PDF. First, open the file that you want to publish. Next, go to File menu, click Publish to the web. You may opt to tick this Start Slideshow as soon as the player loads. Then click Publish. Now you can copy the code to embed the file within Moodle or your learning management system. To add the material on Moodle, go to the course where you want to add the file. On the upper right-hand corner, click the gear icon and turn on the editing mode. Scroll down and add the resource material. Add an activity or resource, and then choose Page under Resources. Add the title of your material. You can click this expand button so you can find the HTML icon. Remove this link. Paste the code from the Google Slides. Make sure to save and return to course. Now you have your presentation within Moodle. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave comments in this video. See you in my next class!